Welcome to Shail's Kitchen, home of good food and good memories. Today on this episode of Shail's Kitchen Travels, we are going to be going out to the country to visit my friend Lorraine. It's a beautiful day today. We have arrived at Lorraine and Roger's farm. Butterflies greeting us. So today we're on Lorraine and her husband Roger's backyard project. a really cool farm with a lot of neat things on it. We're going to do a little exploring today. And Lorraine and I have been friends for almost 2 decades now. She was very instrumental in helping me set up my 4-H club for the kids in the community. We had some great times, didn't we, Lorraine?
Yes, definitely.
It was wonderful, great memories. So now we're going to do a little exploring and see what we can find.
It's also known as the Japanese plum, even though it originated in China, but it was, spread throughout the Southeast Asia, 2,000 years ago. So,
picking some loquats for Mommy. Hi, guys. I think they're posing now for their photo opportunity. Hi there. Hey. They're beautiful.
this one just rubs you constantly. She rubs you up and down. It's like, okay, that's enough, girl.
They want to hold your hand.
This is our main mulberry tree. When we bought it from a vendor at a festival from the Edible Foods Project many years ago, we were told it was from a cutting off of the Gainesville 6th Street mulberry tree, which was on the Old Bailey property.
Yeah.
And it has been very productive. It loves being near the chicken run. And it's doing very well this year. Lorraine.
You want to give it a shake?
It's right there.
Yeah, it's huge. Lorraine's gonna shake the branches and see if we get any mulberries dropping there.
Yes,
Oh my
girl.
goodness. Go ahead, Lorraine.
Okay. We have great blue herons and the white herons.
Oh my goodness.
That come through.
Yeah,
Usually morning and later in the day.
those are so beautiful.
Little ducky-like birds.
Mm-hmm.
And we have hawks, lots of hawks around.
Yeah.
Slowly but surely.
Is this where we got the blueberries the last time?
Mm-hmm.
So So how long does it take for these to come in to? This is pretty tiny right now.
It might be late May.
Yeah. Well, that's not long. What a great time we had today exploring Lorraine and Roger's farm, as she calls it, their backyard food project. And so it was a wonderful day. So let me show you what we got, because we got some treats that we are going to use in Shail's Kitchen. Beautiful mulberries. So on our visit, you saw Lorraine's huge mulberry tree, and this is where all these beautiful mulberries came from. So now I'm going to be thinking up all the delicious treats I'm going to be making. Thank you so much, Lorraine, for sharing the beauty and the bounty of your backyard farm project. I know I'm going to be making a lot of great treats from those mulberries. You've been not only a great colleague over the years, but also a great friend. And thank you so much. Thank you so much for spending your time with me, and I look forward to seeing you next time on Shail's Kitchen, home of good food and good memories.